Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this video we will work on front end of this e-commerce website. We have already covered the backend side, which includes add categories, view categories, and edit and delete categories, as well as we have done add products, view products, as well as edit and delete product. Now uh, our task is to work on front end, so we need a template. So let's download any template. There's a good free template. So first stop e-commerce template. Free template. So this is one of the templates which I'll be working on. So let's download it, and then let's cut it in our, our project is PHP e-commerce. Just paste here and unzip extract files. So this whole section will be just control X and put it outside. That means user side. Okay. Right. Now we don't need this, so let's delete it. Now let's open this project, let's close it, and this is the admin section. Let's work on front end section. So open it. So this is the project, this is the template on which we will be working on in the front section, the user section. So first of all, as you can see, this is featured items, okay, or featured products. So we will show this. So what we need to do is that let's go to index.html file. It's better. Keep all HTML file in one folder, and one by one we will be okay. So let's open index.html and save as here outside index.php. Now let's open it. So it's working fine. Currently this one is index.php. If you remember, in our admin section we had separated header, footer, sidebar. So we will do same in this in front section also. So let's do one thing. find the header section. This is the header section. Let's cut it. One second, it is more than that, I think. Up to search, toggle navigation is up to here. So Control X, Control N, Control V, Control S. So name it as header.php and include it here. PHP require once header.php. So it's working fine. Now we need to separate this sidebar. That means categories. So let's find where does it start from. So this is left sidebar. Left sidebar. Find it where it is. Yeah, this is the left sidebar. So find where does it end. So here it is ending. Left sidebar. Hit Control X and then Control N, Control V, Control S. So left dash sidebar.php and then here PHP require once, then left sidebar dot php. And finally, let's find footer. So from here, it's footer. Let's copy it. Control X, Control N, that means new file. Control V, paste, and Control S. So footer.php. Here in index, we need to write PHP require once footer.php. So we have separated header, footer, sidebar and combined together. Now we need to fetch data from admin dynamically. For example, we will show here featured items which we will enter into admin. So let's one thing. Okay, so this data, latest product and featured products, we will bring, as well as this category list we will show from admin. So see you in the next video. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.